Hello, welcome back to Living Lux on Half the Bucks. Welcome back, my Lux babes. Hope everybody is having an amazing January and things are going well for you guys. I am back with another Cut With Me video, and as you can see, it's January winter theme. And I brought out today from Etsy is Design Lovely Studios. I don't know if I did another video with her. I'm trying to think of it. I can't think of if I've used her templates since I've been doing these type of videos, but I will link in the description box. I will put the link of her shop in the description box below. Again, the Etsy shop is called Design Lovely Studios, and the printable that I am using is called, bear with me one moment because I had it up but it's not there anymore. It's called Printable January Monthly Planner Sticker Happy Planner January Monthly Kit New Year Planner. So very cute. I did get it when it was on sale. It was like $1 and some change. I just looked at it right now. It's $3.41. But I would definitely check her out. She has a lot of great designs. I bought one for February, so I will show that somewhere down the line as well. You know, if you didn't catch this, when I first started the video, I had put music that kind of sound like a winter wonderland type theme, because I was in the winter wonderland type feeling. When you see this template, it gives you like a winter cozy sleigh, snow. I'm not a snow type person, but the music was giving me that, so that's why I played it. If you could, you catch that. So I do want to apologize. I'm so sorry. I really thought that I could get this video up like the second week, the third week of January, and actually this is the last week of January, so I am a mess. But better late than never, because we still got to post another video of me assembling this all together inside my planner, so you'll be able to see that pretty soon. And that's just about it. I didn't do a lot of editing on this video. It's just me cutting. So sit back, relax, kind of switch up the music a little bit, because most of the videos I've been posting have been the same music all the time. I was like, let me switch it up, put a little bit more music, keep it a little bit more vibrant, a little bit going. So yeah, that's what it is. And pretty much just vibe with me while I do this cutting. I don't know what it is about cutting, if it's just me, but I find cutting very relaxing. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below if you guys, hand cut printables. I know it's a lot of work. Not everybody's doing it, especially with these crickets and silhouettes and all different type of gadgets they got going on nowadays. But if there's any true blue hand cutters using a trimmer and some scissors, let me know. Comment down below and let me know if it's relaxing to you just to even just cut, because really I could sit here with this trimmer all day. Somebody gave me a stack. If it was my job saying, hey, we're gonna give you a stack of printables and we just need you to cut these all day, you use this scissors and you use this trimmer and that's all you use, I'd be like, okay. I just find it relaxing, just swiping through all the squares and everything like that. But I mean, if anybody does that, just let me know. Comment below. But I'm not gonna stay on for long. Leave the rest of the video for you to sit back and watch me cut away. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, Share with anybody that is looking for ideas for your monthly planner, your happy planner. So yeah, see here, like I'm playing the music again, the Winter Wonderland theme. So yeah, but I'm gonna go. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you guys next time I see you guys, Lord willing. When I see you guys, it's gonna be me putting this January calendar together, because you know January is pretty much over. We into February now, so you know I'm far behind. So Lord willing, before the end of this week, before January is over, I can get this out here for putting the January calendar together, and then let's get up to February, hoping that'll happen. So, but thank you so much for coming through again. I love you guys, and see you guys in my next one.